All right, train time viewers, we got a train somewhere. And it's got a BNSF in the house on CSX Portsmouth Sub. The first BNSF site here on the Portsmouth Sub, besides the UP that we caught in March of this year. So you will be seeing a BNSF. There's the sound. It's BNSF ES44AC in the house. Woo! Yeah, go ahead and bring that guy over. Let's go, BNSF! Go, BNSF! Man, we will not believe on this. This is one of the catches of the year.
Locomotive BNSF 6285, clear on the CITIRAIL connection, main track southbound.
6285 on this CSX F781. The first foreign power sighting that has been seen here since March, or for train time at least. This is going to be a great treat today to start off this rail fading day. He will be going this way. He'll be heading to Rocky Mount, North Carolina. You can see he's really picking up some juice there. You heard the horn pretty good. Now on these locomotives, like I explained for the UP, the ditch lights will not flash. Somehow BNSF and UP got their locomotives without alternating ditch lights. That rumble is getting louder and louder as he comes this way. BNSF 6285 on CSX F781. Full clear on the CSX Portsmouth Sub to Rocky Mountain. And he should pass this Q13013, I believe it is. I hope so, because that'll be the second train. Here he comes. The staff is running to take some pictures. This is one of the catches of the year, folks. UP, Kansas City Southern, BNSF, NS Heritage Units, BC Rail, Canadian National, and lots more this year. This has been a great year for the rail fanning industry that we have out here today. He's really honking hard, so get ready, staff, get ready. BNSF 6285, well, we're ready for you. Over. This will be in Heritage 3 paint. The swoosh. The second BNSF this year. And here he comes, BNSF 6285. Yes, bring on the orange. Oh man, it's only 3 units. Woo! Oh man, he's got some serious. He's got a city rail. 2 of them. Yes, yes, the 1. Woo! Yeah. Woo! City rail. Woo! Yes, 1321. Yes, all 4 in power. Woo! Woo! Yeah! MKT! Yes, another MKT! Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Yeah! First Unit Rail Corp! Oh my gosh! Family line system! Whoa! CSX! And here comes the end of the train! Whoa! There's a few more train cars and I'll wrap it up! BNSF 6285 and CITIRAIL ES44ACs 1381 will get to Chessie! Woo! Yes! Oh my God! Woo! Mark! That had a CITIRAIL on it! Woo! And there they go. A BNSF and a CITIRAIL together. Good job, Mark!